You need an easy, delicious side. How about smoked cheesy funeral potatoes? Start out with a grill-safe pan. Throw down 1 whole bag of shredded hash browns, the 10-ounce boy. Cream of chicken, you know it's ripe whenever it comes out as a can. Throw in 1 whole diced onion, the little boy. 1 pistol whip of the Dean's French onion dip, or just half a container. 16 ounces of cheddar cheese shredded up into chunks because it just melts faster that way, but you don't have to do that. You already knew it was a Richard Eats recipe, so let's pop out the big guns. Honey bacon barbecue by Meat Church. Love this stuff. Out on the pit boss at 250 degrees for 2 hours, stirring halfway. But that's not it, folks. We're gonna get some crunch action in here. They are funeral potatoes after all. 2 to 4 cups of crushed up corn flakes and a half a stick of melted butter we're going to throw on top. I used regular corn flakes. You can use frosted flakes if you're extra. Not tonight, though. I need to keep it kind of timid, okay? We're going to throw it on there and let it toast up so that way the top gets nice and brown before we bring it to the serving table. So good, you'll forget who died. What do you mean it's politically incorrect?